This is my project for 6.1 HD Task Cloud Computing by Kirtika Sharma. That's my lab VPC I created in the AWS console. Let's move ahead. So these are just the settings. And now let's move to the subnets. These are the subnets I created. So these are two public and two private subnets. And so this is the private one. So I kept the zones to be different. So one private and one public in one zone and another two in different zones. Let's move to the route tables. Then I just associated the subnets to the different route tables, two private subnets to the private one and the two public to the another one. And I also connected them to the respective gateways. Yeah, so you can see public subnet, it's connected. Let's show the gateways. This is the internet gateway I created and it is attached to the lab VPC. Next is the NAT gateway. So it is, yeah, here you go. So it is connected to the public and these are the just settings. Next I would like to show my, just a second. Yeah, let's move to the EC2. So these are the, no, just wait for the database. These are my database WordPress. And I created a replica and did the AZ deployment as well. Multi-Z deployment here. So these are the settings I have kept it and the security groups attached to it. Yes, so EC2 instance gets running if it is connected properly. So you get the WordPress that's already mentioned in my report. So I have already given all my screenshots of the working in the report as well. Let's move to the S3 bucket. So you can name it any of the buckets. So I just uploaded some of the files to make sure that it is properly made. Let's start the next one. The next step was to, yeah, so these are just the settings. So here I have given some permissions as well. You can see and attach the bucket policy. Yeah, moreover, let's move ahead. I created the auto scaling group, yeah, and then the settings for these ones. So yeah, so I just kept it like these were. Moving ahead, let's go to the load balancers. Let's go target groups first, yeah. So target groups are so many, so I just mentioned here. This for instance, yeah, it is working properly. So there are 3 target groups in this whole assignment. Yeah, so that's another one. And move to the next one. Let's see the security groups. So I know I have created so many, but there are few only that's being used in the assignment. AMIs, these are the project key, AMI and AMI image. So I am just working on the project AMI. Let's go to the instance. So I have my 2x2 check. That means my instance are running properly. So that's the instance I am working on. Just a second. Yeah, that's the one. So if your IP address is working properly, that means you're good to go. Let's move another one. Let's check the CloudFormation. I have created some stacks for it. So I have uploaded the files then. Some I used from the GitHub, the sources, and some from the another platforms that were available. And I have added some of the other codes. So these are the files being uploaded, which were connected. And finally, the CloudFormation was done here. So it's showing complete. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Yeah, so this is just my assignment. Hoping for HD task. Thank you.